Struggling with cluttered applications on your Linux system? Let's dive into the simple steps to clean up your Wine-installed programs. First, navigate to the default installation directory, /wine/drive_c/program files. Here, you'll find folders for each installed application. Identify the folder of the program you wish to remove. Deleting this folder will remove the installed files from your system. But wait, there's more. Applications often leave behind shortcuts in your menu. Let's tackle those next. Open your terminal or file manager and head to ~local/share/applications/wine/programs. Locate the folder corresponding to the application you want to delete, and remove it. Now, it's time to update your system's desktop database to reflect these changes. Run the command, update desktop database ~local/share/applications/. This ensures all remnants are cleared. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and uninstall any Wine-installed applications on your Linux system. Keep your Linux environment clean and organized for optimal performance and ease of use. Happy computing!